Adaptable saddle solution for installing the GPS DM2 onto varying round duct diameters of 6 inches and up. The DMS saddle installation accessory is sold separately from NPBI systems. Before you start the installation, confirm you have the following items: DM2 air ionization system, DMS mounting saddle. The included mounting hardware is not required when using the saddle. You will also need a 4.5-inch hole saw or snips, appropriate sized band clamps or cable ties, appropriate conduit and wiring. The DMS should be installed as close to the conditioned space as possible to minimize ion loss throughout the ductwork. For VAV and other mixing box installations, install the product on the discharge or supply side of the box. Remove the 4 fasteners from the DM2 to open the device. Connect the appropriate conduit and fitting as necessary for the application. Route the wires and make connections according to the label located on the product. Tighten the strain relief clamp to hold the wires, being careful not to damage them. To begin the installation, ensure power to the HVAC equipment and the DM2 has been disconnected. Now find a good location for the DM2S and cut a 4.5-inch round hole in the duct. Slide the cable ties or band clamps through the saddle eyelets. Lay the saddle against the round duct and connect the cable ties or band clamps around the duct. You can pre-bend the saddle for smaller ductwork if desired. Tighten cable ties or band clamps until the foam gasket is slightly compressed against the duct wall. Turn the DM2 counterclockwise from the final installation orientation and insert it into the saddle. Rotate the DM2 clockwise until you hear a click and the connection feels secure. The DM2 comes with a factory preset cleaning cycle designed to clean the emitters once every day.